So now my friends, we will going to talk about prompts. Now what is prompt in our prompt engineering? Okay, so see, when you just go to, let's say, chat.openai.com, okay, and whenever you ask any question, okay, whenever you ask any question to LLM models like ChatGPT, okay, like how are you, okay, so you are asking one question to AI. Okay, so this question is considered as a prompt. So basically prompts are basically the question which you ask to AI. Okay, so for example, we will going to click on enter and then it will going to give us response for this particular question or a prompt. Similarly, if I write, let's say, 5 tips to grow hair, okay, so I'm just writing one prompt here to this AI, and according to that it is giving me response, right? So this question is nothing, it is called as prompt, okay, in prompt engineering. Now question arises is that what is the use of prompt engineering, but hope you guys have till now understood the concept of what is prompt.